Hi everyone and welcome back. Legend says it is very bad luck to change the name of a boat. History has a logical explanation for it, so okay, no problem. Well, we challenged the legend and we changed the name of our boat. Will Neptune be angry at us? Hi everyone, we're Anna&Fil and say hello to Captain Gaston, our fluffy cat. We love traveling, and after a life as everyday city dwellers, we decided to change our lifestyle and bought a sailboat to become live aboard and keep on traveling. Follow along as we combine work and adventures aboard our Malo 42 Good Girl. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe, it really means a lot to us. And if you have any questions about the boat, the refit or anything else, please leave them on the comment down below. In the last video, we talked about the refit up to October 2024. We took a break for the winter and I was back in the marina in March 2025. I had a very big plan of things that needed to happen before splashing the boat and before the summer. But when it comes to DIY, a job that may take 1 week, well, in reality, you should plan it for at least a month, and that's just to start. Before splashing, we had a lot of things to do. Finish the 220 electrical connections and upgrade some critical electrical components in the 12 volt. We had to repair or somehow change the stern platform, and we had to attach the new stickers and polish the hull. After splashing, we also had a very big plan. We need to remove the mast, change the standing rigging, the running rigging, and of course check the sails and repair them. Obviously, in between those works, we had a million other tasks that we needed to accomplish. And of course, we had plenty of time, so we could do that without any problems. Also, this video is a collection of images and very short reels. As the refit was going on, days and weeks were passing by, and we really understood that we needed to get things done. But on with the story. The stern platform needed new teak. It was damaged and bent on one side. We planned several upgrades to make it stronger, bigger, and with more functionality. But after hoping for 3 months to have a great job done by an Italian company, we had to put it back with minor fixes, and I installed the new teak. I got a new battery charger and changed the old battery setup, but I will leave this story for a new video. I polished the hull for a week and the results were visible. I did some fiberglass work here and there, rebuilt the navigation panels to accommodate the new AIS radio and added extra storage space. And not happy, I started with the galley odyssey. Removing the old icebox was key to add storage. It was anyway in really bad shape, further than being real small. We fit test the new stickers before printing them. I made sure Anna gave the approval on the right position, and on they went. They look really great if you ask me. Yeah, we're gonna be splashing the boat today, so we're definitely gonna have a little bit of anxiety, but I hope everything will be okay. I'll show you. It's emotional nearly after 1 year, a lot of work that the boat is splashing. True flying boat. happy. We just checked all the valves that we installed and everything is working fantastic. So the boat is safely splashed. After splashing, I immediately had some issue with the engine, but after some fiddling, I got it started. Il suono del successo. But I found also a leak in the exhaust, explaining some of the corrosion I found. Almighty and great ruler of the sea, Neptune, keeper of the deep, we beseech you to strike from your records and memory the name Cirrus, which has ceased to be. Remove it from your rolls and bless her as she takes on a new identity. In gratitude for your benevolence, we offer you this libation, O Neptune, and rededicate this vessel to your realm. From this day forward, she shall be known as Good Girl. We ask that she be granted fair winds, smooth seas, and safe return from all voyages.
Yay!
Second page. To the east, to the gods of the east wind, grant us gentle breezes. To the south, to the gods of the south wind, grant us warmth and guidance. To the gods of the west wind, bring a safe passage home. And to the gods of the north wind, protect us in storms and squalls. We offer those words and gifts in reverence. Let it be known, this is sailing yacht Good Girl, and she sails with our love, our trust, and your blessing.
Yay! Good girl. Yay! Dai Captain, ai ai.
You know what I love? When people have dreams and make them true. We met us like 4 years ago, I think, yes? And the first thing you said to us was, we're gonna sell everything and we're gonna go sailing. And we were like, okay. And no, it was like, okay, it's a dream, but we have a lot of dream. And what I appreciated that you really make this dream coming true. So we wish you everything good for your future lives.
Yay! Thanks a lot, guys.